There is no better place to network with pros in every field of home services, period.
You want to surround yourself with people that you want to be like. Why wouldn't you come to events like this to meet those people?
It's like, how can you help me become a better business owner so I can make the change that I really want to make? Game on. We're going to do this.
By me coming here, it was going to better equip me to build something better than what I had before so that I can pass this on to my kids.
I've gotten more in an hour and a half class than I did in 2 days at Huge Convention.
It's different. Those conversations in the hallway, in the elevator, out at the restaurant, those are so deep and so rich.
Just golden nuggets everywhere. Being able to rub elbows with other pros, and we all go through problems and slow seasons, and that's the whole reason we're all here to learn.
Kind of came in and just totally blew my expectations out of the water.
And the first day, I'm just like, 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend it to everybody. It's really an awesome thing.